Hello my fibre friends, welcome to today's video, and today I'm going to be reviewing February's, no, is it February's? No, this is January's Crochet Society subscription, and it's come in this beautiful green box. I'll just hold it straight. And as always, it comes with a little clip. It came on Monday and I've not opened it. I thought I'll open it on video. And the sentiment inside reads, create your own happy place. And I'm in my happy place. So as always, it's wrapped beautifully in tissue paper. So I'll just break the seal. I haven't opened it. I wanted to open it on camera. Oh, so we have got, what have we got this time? We've got Bella Coco Crochet Charmed Chunky, and this is called Potion. It's 85% acrylic, 5% mohair and 10% yarn, wool, and it's made in Turkey. So if I use this, I'm going to be wearing a pair of gloves. But it's let me see, 100 grams, 100 meters, and crochet hook 6.5, knitting needle 7 to 8. And it is hand wash. So we've got Potion, and we've also got Spell. So it's all about magic today, isn't it? Very nice yarn, but I can't use it, so that might be going in a giveaway, unfortunately, because I just can't use it. Even to touch it, it's and I've got this beautiful crochet hook, 6.5, that nice. So that's another one to add to my collection, and I like it because it's got kind of a flat where you put your thumb. So that's that. Then we've got a frame. And we've got, oh, look at this stitch marker. Isn't this just the cutest? Have you seen? Little pair of scissors. That's cute. And what's this? Push pins for hooks. Let me see what this is. Push pins for hooks. If I can get in it. Let me see if I can get in it. Oh, I know what it is. 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 Oh, look. Little push pins for to put on, to do your bunting and whatever with. I wish that had come before then. And then I've got some more push pins, the round ones. And then I've got this to go on the back of the frame. Not sure if you can see it. If I do that, to hang it up. And I've got the alphabet. So I bet I could put Linda's crochet nook on that. How fabulous! And put or subscribe, or that's brilliant. And then what else have we got? Oh, we've got the little booklet. So that's this month's. So let me just put them back in there before I destroy them. I wonder if I could put Linda's Crochet Nook and subscribe. So that's the booklet today. I'm not going to show you what's... oh, there's... it's all about Ria Petals. Tea and Chat with Ria. She's one of the designers. And let's see if I can show you. Oh, so there's Benjamin Bear, and there's a half moon rug, and oh, and that it shows you how today how to thingy the frame, and all different ideas how to make the frame. Benjamin Bear, so I'll be using a different yarn because obviously I can't use that, so that is going to have to go in. That's going to have to go in a giveaway because I can't use wool. It's not even worth me trying, to be honest, because and we've got the letterboard telling you all about the letterboard and that, and the hook and the pins. The pins are used for, you know, one of those cork boards that you put little notices on, which I'm thinking of getting because I haven't got one in here, and it might be a good idea because I've got the wall space. I could put it over here, maybe, we'll see. And it just tells you all about the yarn, and all different ideas on how to use the yarn that you've got. Such a shame that I can't use it. Never mind, we can't win everything, can we? So, and then we've got all different ideas on how to create your rooms, you know, your crochet rooms, crochet storage, ideas on crochet storage, and swatches, making swatches with the yarn, which is a good idea. But to be honest, making swatches, would I rather sit here making something than a swatch? Yeah, I'd rather make something than a swatch. That rug, I must admit, is very nice. That'd look nice on the side of the bed, you know, by the side of the bed. So you've got the pattern for that. I might actually do that. That might be an idea, but definitely not with this wool. And then people have sent in their makes, what they've made from previous months, and then next month's. So I'm really, I mean, I like the yarn colours because they go really nice together, but for me using them, it's a no-no from me because I can't. I'll have to go and wash my hands. I can't. As much as I love wool, I just can't use it. Even just touching it, I'll have to go and wash my hands. So that is this month's. I must say I do like the tissue paper. I'll use that. I'll reuse that. I like to, you know, when I'm giving birthday gifts or gifts of any kind, I like to get gift bags and wrap them in tissue paper. That's what I like to do. So that is my review of Nice Box. I will definitely be using the plaque to put Linda's crochet nook on it, and I've been thinking about getting a cork board, and then pins will come in really handy. I just need to decide where I'm going to put the cork board, and yeah, so on the whole, apart from the yarn, which you can't win them all, can you, on these things, but they more than likely will go in a giveaway, because I can't use wool. And I used to always knit. It's only over the past 10 years that I've become allergic. Well, I'm not allergic to it. It just swells my hand and it makes me itch, and I can't wear woolen, anything that's made with wool. So if I go out and buy a jumper or a cardigan or whatever, I've got to make sure there's no wool in it, because it's just a no-no for me. And I love all these like angoras and cashmere, and I just can't wear them and can't crochet or knit with them, which is sad, which is very sad. So I'm going to love you and leave you for now. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and please give a thumbs up, and I would love a comment. What are your thoughts? and I'll see you all again real soon. Take care everybody and stay safe. Bye for now.